when I'm alone.
Okay, hey everyone. Today I'm gonna show you that I solved my Rubik's Cube. I just solved it and it was really nice. And I also solved my brother's because he actually wanted to solve his, but he can't. So yeah, he just he wants me to solve it, but so and then yeah, so I just solved. Whoops. I just solved one of these, so if you guys want, there's an app called Rubik's Cube, and then I'll probably show the first one. I typed in Rubik's free for free. I just typed in Rubik's free, and then it showed me a lot, and I picked the first one because, you know. And then basically you have to get your colors, you have to get your mixed up colors right. And then so yeah. And then once you're done solving it, just either mix it up or again or play it, you know. So the thing is, I'll show sides, and then once you mix it up, you gotta tap that color, tap any color that is mixed, put it one of these cubes, but on your iPad or phone or whatever you have. So yeah, you have to so yeah, and then basically you have to see, I solved it. Whoa, what the? There we go. Wait, it's that white. Oh. Okay, whatever. So you have to go to the app store, type in Rubik's free, and it'll show the first one, the first app, and then once you've done that, you can solve it. You can solve this. So yeah, I might do a video probably. So, well, we'll see right now. So, but you know what? It's actually a really cool app. You could, you know. Really cool. Oh, wow. Okay. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. I'll see you guys later in the next video. And I'm sorry I didn't do a challenge because I was so busy with something. But me and my brother can do a challenge of, I don't know. Yeah, we'll do a challenge and stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.